In this informative video, we'll take you on a tour of the powerful software Adobe After Effects. Discover the ins and outs of its layout, explore various tabs, and unlock the potential of this industry-standard tool for creating stunning visuals and motion graphics. So, let's dive in. So basically, when for the first time you open After Effects, it would look like this. Starting with the file menu, which is more or less deals with the actual project. Edit, this deals with the internal stuff such as copying, pasting, undoing and redoing. Composition, which we will explain to you in the different videos. Layer, this all revolves around the actual layer we have created down below. Effects, the name is pretty straightforward. It has all of the effects that you can use. Animation, whole bunch of animation stuff. Windows, here you can select or unselect all the tabs you need and that you don't. Help, you don't need this as I am there for you. So here is the project manager, aka the media manager. All the compositions, our graphics, it's gonna be here, and also the pieces of media. Now it is currently empty, of course, because we didn't import anything yet. Over here is the composition, and when we create a new composition, which I'll show you later in the course, so when we build up the composition, this window acts as an preview window for you. All the edits we make can be played here. On the right side, we have a small tab named Info, which gives us information about the clip. Right now, no clip is selected, and that's why it's showing empty. Then beside it, we have audio tabs, in which we can control and tweak different levels. Then we have a preview tab, in which we can play stuff or skip frame by frame. Then we have effects tab, and a couple of more tabs inside it, for example library. We'll cover it in the later of our videos. If we go down, you will have the most important timeline and layers section. And any actual layer we create, for example importing clips, etc., it will show here. The name will show under the source name. We would import clips in the project, drag it here, the name and all would appear here in the layer section, and one long line would have come in the timeline section. And this is the layer section that is linked to the timeline. Timeline is where you make and edit. This is the part where you spend most of the time with. Now, if by mistake while navigating through the timeline you messed up or you wanted to put this tab here instead of here, you can just drag and drop it. But if you did it by mistake, just don't panic. Don't panic. To reset the layout, go to the Windows, Workspaces and reset to save layout. We hope that you found this tour of Adobe After Effects enlightening and empowering. With a solid understanding of the software layouts and tab, you are now equipped to dive deeper into the vast array of features and unleash your creativity. Remember, practice makes man perfect, so keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of your imagination. Thank you for watching and happy editing.